Gonna cook me some of them ribs I'm so famous for cooking. They gonna be delicious.
I got the rub on them. Now I'm gonna let them sit for about a half hour and let the rub just penetrate into the muscle tissue. Unless you wear XXX women's panties, Kings for Baby is the only thing you should ever use. If you use anything else, you're just... We're gonna put the charcoals all the way to the left of the Weber grill. It's called alternate heating. We're gonna put the ribs over here, you know what I'm saying? That way they don't cook too fast, because if you put them over here and they cook too fast, it's gonna be drier than Betty White's vagina. It's gonna be good, boy. Now after these ribs have sit for 30 minutes with the rub on it, put them on the grill. Alternative cooking, alternate. Put them on there. Ooh, baby, yeah. That's a big old piece of meat. That's what she said. Now, right before we put the lid on it, we're gonna put just a little chunk of hickory chips. It's gonna make them get a little smoky taste, just a little kiss. Ow! Do not, I repeat, do not take the lid off for 3 hours. Let's check out them ribs. Let's see what them nope.
Why are you waiting on that last eye for them? We gonna make this aside, cause you don't want to be eating them ribs by themselves, cause they'll give you diarrhea. First, find you a real small dish, not too small, but just small enough to make you some green bean casserole. Dump them in the little dish. Then you're gonna put some of this mushroom. Uh-oh. It don't want to come out of the can. So give it all the love and affection that one person can give. Cream of mushroom. Woo! Green bean casserole in my...
just go with you.
Just put your 2 cups of water, a dash of milk, couple spoonfuls of butter, and a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of pepper. Let it come to a boil, and then add your loaded mashed potatoes. Oh my God! They're perfect! Perfect!
You know, what can I say?
Place the reef on his door, and they'll carry him away. And he'll stop loving her today. Just because I'm drunk doesn't mean you're right. I wanna fuck you on the thigh. The green bean casserole is done, baby. Mashed potatoes loaded. And green bean casserole. Hit that like button and that subscribe button, and it all be good. It all be good in the hood, bro. Woohoo! Big dog dog Daddy Dave style. That's how we do, boy. Yes, sir.